Hello, good day. This is a continuation of our lesson about nature and background of games. But this time, we are going to talk about striking or fielding games. Striking or fielding games. The concept of scoring by striking a ball into open spaces. Fielders are placed strategically to prevent runs from being scored. Common examples are sports such as baseball, softball, and lead up games like kickball. Baseball. Two teams with 9 members try to run through a diamond court after hitting a ball with a bat. The objective is for a team to score more runs than opponent. The offensive team's objective is to have its batter become a runner and its runners advance to touch all bases and score a run. The defensive team's objective is to prevent the offensive players from becoming runners and advance in all the bases. These are the materials, facilities, and equipments for baseball: playing field, home base, balls, catcher's mitt, helmets, pitcher's plate, bases, bat, and gloves. Softball is a game similar to baseball, played with a larger ball, 11 to 16 inches circumference, on a field that has base lengths of 60 feet, a pitcher's mound that ranges from 35 to 43 feet away from home plate, and a home run fence that is 220 to 300 feet away from home plate, depending on the type of softball being played. Kickball is a game similar to baseball and softball. Its aim is for the runner to kick the ball and then run to the bases to reach the home plate and score points. The ball used in kickball is much bigger. It is rolled towards the home plate and kicked by the runner instead of using a bat. Other rules and mechanics are more or less the same with the baseball and softball. Number of players: 5 to 10 players per team on the field. Playing area: these are the materials, facilities, and equipments used in kickball: rattan ball, football, kids rubber ball, soccer ball, bin bag, foam for bases, meter stick, chalk, or cone markers. Striking or fielding games: the concept is to score by striking a ball into open spaces where fielders are placed strategically to prevent runs from being scored. Good job! Thank you. Till next, this has been your Mom Ice saying, have a nice day. Bye.